Oh. Hang on. I'm on it. I'm on it, Kiki. We're with Kiki outside in our high-tech flight cape. He hates it when I lie. Our Coleman picnic tent. And? What? You want me to sing? You want me to sing? You're supposed to be singing. You're the bird. Aren't you supposed to be singing? Oh, well, I've crossed a line here. Aren't you supposed to be singing? You're a bird. You're supposed to be singing, not me. Okay. He wants me to sing. What do you want me to sing? Oh, sure. He's a patriotic eaglet because, aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, yes, yes. He's patriotic and he wants to fly around a stadium like an eagle because he's going to grow up and be an eagle. And aren't you? Aren't you going to grow up to be an eagle? So he wants me to sing that song? That song? You want me to sing that song? That one? Should we wait for the car to go by? Should we wait for the car to go by? Aren't you my baby? Aren't you my baby? Okay. You want us to sing? You want me to sing then to you? That song? That song? Oh. I'm allergic to you. That song. Do you know what kind of range that song has? It's got like a 4-octave range. I'd like to hear you sing it. Okay, here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous night were the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, while the rockets rattle, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say doth that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. That was for you. Now you have to fly around the stadium like a patriotic eagle. Now you have to fly around the stadium like a patriotic eagle. Come on. We're going to fly around the stadium like a patriotic eagle. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Here's my Ernie. Here's my Ernie. Kiki. Are you done? Are you done?